Hi, I'm Sonia from Vidya Guru. We are starting a new session on current affairs. If you like the session, press the like button for sure. Share the video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you do that, you'll get the benefit of a whole lot of exam relevant videos. We'll start this session and at the end the revision will be done. That revision is going to help you to keep all the difficult names in your mind. As the names are there, difficult names are there, because today we are going to discuss about the Oscars. So we'll start from the very first question, which is equally important as Oscars are. We'll start, that's Yogesh Chandra Hassan is the architect of. Now you need to understand, we call him A.R. Yogesh Chandra Hassan. He is the architect of National War Memorial. First of all, let me write down the answer, then I'll explain what it is. I'm saying National War Memorial. See, just beside the entire name of the thing, I'm writing New Delhi here. That is ND, which actually tells you that's New Delhi. So National War Memorial in the vicinity of India Gate, New Delhi, it was actually built. He is the architect of National War Memorial. And what is that National War Memorial? That you need to understand after independence. After independence, since independence, all the inline soldiers who were actually died, killed, so those soldiers will be in the memory of those soldiers. We've actually created National War Memorial, that too at the place New Delhi. Now you need to learn that National War Memorial in the vicinity of India Gate in New Delhi it was created. And who was the architect of it? A.R. Yogesh Chandra Hassan. We'll start the Oscars from the second question till the seventh question. We'll start with the second question, which is about Green Book. Green Book got the Oscars for Best Picture. When I say Best Picture or Best Feature Film, it actually means the same. Best Picture. Both the means same. I'm saying when we say Best Picture or Best Feature Film, that means actually the same. Alfonso Cuarón. This fellow received Best Director's Award. Best Director's Award for the film Roma. Best Director. Academy Award for Best Director for the film Roma. And what film Roma is, it will be discussed here in the sixth question. Because Roma, the movie, got the award too. The next question is Rami Malek. Rami Malek for the Bohemian Rhapsody, referring to the name of the movie. Rami Malek got the award for the movie Bohemian Rhapsody. He has actually received many awards. He has got Best Actor here. So Best Actor for the movie Bohemian Rhapsody. The next question is Olivia Colman. Olivia Colman for the movie The Favourite. Olivia Colman for the movie The Favourite. She received Best Actress. Best Actress Award. Here we'll start with Roma. Now we come to that movie for which Alfonso Cuarón got the award for Best Director. Here this movie got the award for Best Foreign Language Film. Best Foreign Language Film. Now I need to tell you the name of the nation it belongs to. That's Mexico. Mexico's movie Roma got the award in the category of Best Foreign Language Film, and Alfonso Cuarón got the Best Director's Award for the movie Roma only. We'll move to the question number 7. That's period. End of sentence. This is basically a documentary and it received the award for Best Documentary, Short Subject. Best Documentary, Short Subject. Now we'll move to the 8th question, which is about the third pillar. As I've mentioned it in inverted commas. Then you need to know that the third pillar, how markets and state leave the community behind. How markets and the state leave the community behind. It is basically a book written by erstwhile RBI Governor Raghuram Rajan. He writes so many books, and one of the books, that's The third pillar is out now. So the third pillar is the book of Raghuram Rajan. Aero India 2019. The venue is Bengaluru. The venue is Bengaluru, as I had to mention the venue only. So Bengaluru is the venue of Aero India. The next question is about Swasth Immunized India campaign ambassador. Here we are going to talk about the ambassador of Swasth Immunized India. Swasth Immunized India. That's Kareena Kapoor. So Kareena Kapoor has become the ambassador for Swasth Immunized India campaign. New Bilaspur Manali Leh railway line. You need to learn. You need to keep the entire thing in your mind. See, when I say railway line, which railway line? That's Bilaspur Manali Leh railway line. Bilaspur Manali Leh railway line. And it is going to be the highest railway line in the world. That is why it is being discussed here. Highest railway line in the world. Highest railway line in the world. It is going to be Bilaspur Manali Leh railway line. The next question is Indian Air Force conducts air strike at Jaish-e-Mohammed in Balakot, Pakistan. Their training center basically. So Balakot, Pakistan, their training center of Jaish-e-Mohammed, supposedly the training center of Jaish-e-Mohammed. So Indian Air Force conducts air strike at Jaish-e-Mohammed in Balakot, Pakistan. The next question is India in Distress. That's the book too. If it is the book, I have to tell you the name of the writer. That's Mamata Banerjee, Indian politician. Mamata Banerjee. That's the book of Mamata Banerjee. The next question is Shin Xiaoming is the world's first. Let me write down the answer first. World's first AI, artificial intelligence, female news anchor of the company Xinhua. As you guys can make out by the name itself that it is from the China. Xinhua, that's the news agency of China. We've actually read about them once. We've read that they've actually released, someone who was in the male category. What's that basically? I wanted to tell you that artificial intelligence male news anchor was launched a few months back basically. Now we're talking about Shin Xiaoming is the world's first AI female news anchor by the company Xinhua. The next question is supercomputer Param Shivai inaugurated at IIT BHU. IIT BHU. We're referring to Param Shivai. Param Shivai supercomputer inaugurated at IIT BHU. Organization of Islamic Cooperation. Foreign ministers meet. The venue is going to be Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi is in UAE. What's special about that? Why are we studying about it if it is going to be there in Abu Dhabi? It is because Sushma Swaraj, our External Affairs Minister, is going to be the guest of honor there. It is going to be held in the month of March. Organization of Islamic Cooperation, Foreign Ministers meet. Abu Dhabi, UAE, that's the place where it is going to be held. And I told you Sushma Swaraj, our External Affairs Minister, is going to be the guest of honor there. Next question is humanoid. Humanoid robots inducted in Kerala Police. Now you need to understand that Kerala Police has become the first state police to introduce a robot, that too as a cop. That too as a cop in it. That's humanoid robots inducted in Kerala Police. I need to tell you the name of that robot. That's KP Bot. So that has happened for the very first time. It is something advanced that you need to understand. KP Bot is a cop basically launched by the Kerala Police. We'll start the revision. AR Yogesh Chandra Hasan is the architect of National War Memorial, which was actually opened, which was actually inaugurated by our Prime Minister in New Delhi in the vicinity of India Gate. Green Book is the, actually picture, best feature film. They actually received the award for it. From here, we are starting the nominations, rather the awardees basically, those who have actually received the award in this category. So, best picture, best feature film, the award was given to Green Book. Alfonso Cuarón got the award for best director for the film Roma. Rami Malek for Bohemian Rhapsody, he got best actor. Olivia Colman, The Favourite, best actress. Roma, best foreign language film, Mexico. Period, end of sentence, got best documentary short subject. Raghuram Rajan has written The Third Pillar, How Markets and State Leave the Community Behind. Aero India 2019 venue, Bengaluru. The next question is about Kareena Kapoor. She has become the ambassador of Swasth Immunized India campaign. Bilaspur Manali Leh railway line will be the highest railway line in the world. Balakot Park, where Indian Air Force conducted an air strike at Jaish-e-Mohammed's training camp. Mamata Banerjee wrote India in Distress. Shin Xiaoming is the world's first artificial intelligence female news anchor by the company news agency Xinhua of China. Supercomputer Param Shiva inaugurated at IIT BHU. Organization of Islamic Cooperation Foreign Ministers meet venue Abu Dhabi, UAE. Sushma Swaraj will be the guest of honor there. Humanoid robots inducted in Kerala Police. That's KP bot. We are wrapping up. Thank you.